Hello everyone. Pakistan has decided to reopen the Wagah border, allowing Afghan export to India from July 15. This decision of Pakistan is to fulfill its commitment in APTTA agreement, that is Pakistan Afghanistan Transit Trade Agreement. So today we will be discussing more about this incident as well as about the APTTA agreement. So let us begin. First, we will see where this Wagah border is situated. As you can see in the map, this is in the border of Pakistan and India and is between the Lahore of Pakistan and Amritsar of Punjab of India. Okay. And this point or area is often served as a transit point for goods. So as per the news, this area will be reopened for trade between India and Afghanistan. Okay, India and Afghanistan through Pakistan. Actually, the trade is happening between India and Afghanistan, not between Pakistan. And this is actually one-way trade. So in order to understand why it is one-way trade, we must look into the details of APTTA. As per Afghanistan-Pakistan Trade Agreement or APTTA, which signed in 2010, they can do a trade between Pakistan and Afghanistan, and that agreement permits Afghanistan trucks to have an access to Wagah border of India so that its trucks can offload goods to India at the border, and there Indian trucks will be taking the loads to India. But the agreement is not giving permission to load trucks of Afghanistan with the goods from India. So these trucks which carried load to India will not be able to take goods from India to Afghanistan through Pakistan. Or we can say that these trucks will have to go back to Afghanistan with empty hands, or sometime they will be carrying goods from Pakistan back to Afghanistan. Okay, so this is what is going on as per this agreement. So on March of this year, due to corona outbreak, Pakistan had closed its border to all its neighboring countries and also closed this border also, that is Wagah border. And now Pakistan has decided to reopen this border for the unilateral trade which had been going on between India and Afghanistan. Okay, and because there was a request from the Afghanistan government for reopening this border for the trade with India, and actually this time is a festival time for India, where India need a lot of dry fruits as well as vegetables, as it is high in demand in India, and usually this demand would be met by this trade from Afghanistan. Otherwise, there will be a high demand, high chance of price rise due to the lack of supply from Afghanistan. Okay, so fortunately, there's a positive move from Pakistan by opening the border for this trade. And if you're analyzing the trade between India and Pakistan, this is in a standard position due to the border tension. And last time in February 2019, India also cancelled the most favored nation status for Pakistan due to the Pulwama attack. And even though the relation between India and Pakistan are not in good terms, it is really good to see that at least Afghanistan is getting some benefits and is not suffering due to the problem between India and Pakistan. So that's all. Thank you.